Welcome. This is a video in the series, How to Rumble. In this video I will explain how to create a channel. Go to the website of Rumble and click on Your Account. In the upper right corner, click in the menu on My Content. Scroll a bit down and choose in the menu Create Channel. On this page you can fill in the name of the channel. If the name of your channel is How to Rumble, your channel's link will be www.rumble.com/howtorumble. Write the name of the channel without spaces between the words. Fill in the title of the channel, and you can choose the title or display name, My Rumble Channel, which is what other users will see, written with spaces between the words. Write also a description of the channel. Click on Select Files to add a thumbnail to your channel, and choose the thumbnail you want to use. Click on Select Files to add a backsplash to your channel. A backsplash is the same as a banner. When you are ready, click at the bottom right on the button Create. Click on the Add button to add videos to your channel. Click on A+ to add videos to your channel. The plus will change into a check mark. When you click on the Edit button, you can change the name, the title, description, thumbnail or backsplash. Don't forget to click at the end on Save, to save the changes you have made. Click on the name of your channel to see how it looks like. This is the result. Thanks for watching, and if you have a question, please use the comment box here below.